Hello everyone, this is Dipali and you are watching my channel English with Dipali. I hope you all are doing amazing. So today I am going to tell you how you can work on your sentence formation. I have seen lots of learners are there, they actually face difficulties to make sentence formation. So here in this video I have shared 5 tips that these 5 tips will definitely help you to form correct sentence. So I hope this video will also help you a lot, so I want you watch this entire video. So without any further ado, let's get into video. First step is that you must make basic and small sentences. You do not need to make complicated sentence. I am going to give you one example as well how you can make sentences clear and crispy. Simple sentence: I eat mangoes. I eat apples. I read books. I eat bananas. We have done with this first task, and our first task is that to make small sentences that we have already made. Second task is that you actually need to add some information in it. You need to add extra information in the same sentence. I eat red apple. I am reading an interesting book. So that is how you are making a sentence in advanced level. In the second step, what we have done, we have add that red apple, an interesting book. We are providing more information in it. Once you done with second step, so you must follow the third step. What is the third step? You actually need to use everyday examples. Whenever we are speaking any language, and if we are relating with this daily routine and daily exercise and what we are doing, so definitely it adds some values in it, and you imitate yourself by making the everyday sentences. For example, I am speaking with you. I am reading a book. She is writing a letter. He is playing a football. They are making a breakfast. So this is how we can make everyday sentences. And when we are making the everyday sentences, definitely it will help you to speak English fluently and confidently. And these are very small sentences. You can make it every day and you can relate with this sentence as well. So you will not feel like I'm not speaking correct English. So these small phrases will definitely help you to improve your English. And fourth step is that practice question and answer. Isn't it so exciting? You are going to answer yourself and you are the one as well who is giving the answer of the same question. What are you doing? I am speaking with you. What he is doing? I don't have any idea what he is doing. So what are you going to do today? As of now I don't have any plan for today, but let's see, after recording this video I will definitely go out and I will spend my time with my friends. So this is how you can communicate with yourself. You can practice alone. Lots of learners are there, they always find it difficult to practice alone. So if you are practicing this way, definitely you will not feel like that you are alone. You are not alone at all. You can stand in front of mirror, you can practice this question and answer, and definitely this will help you to become a fluent speaker in English. And fifth thing is that listen and repeat. I don't know how many of you find this technique interesting, but sometimes I find this technique is a little bit hectic. So I will tell you how you can do this. You can read one sentence and you can repeat that same sentence. You can take your mobile and start the recording. Repeat after your sentence. If my sentence is I love learning English, so you can stress that each word. I love learning English language. I love learning English language. I love learning English language. So every time you must focus on the stress words. If you are doing that, so definitely it will help you to pronounce clearly, and it will also help you to make sentences correctly. Definitely you will get different benefits from this technique. You can listen any video, you can watch any podcast, you can repeat after that person. You will get lots of benefits. Your sentence formation will get improved, vocabulary will get improved. You can use idioms and phrases by using this technique, and you can also work on your pauses and intonation. There are lots of things you can achieve with the help of this shadowing technique. So quickly recap on this video. First thing is that you must make basic sentence, and second thing is that you must add some extra word in it, and third thing is that you must use everyday examples, and fourth thing is that you must practice question and answer, and fifth thing is that you must listen and repeat. All these 5 steps will definitely help you to become a fluent speaker, and your sentence formation will get improved. And I want you practice regularly. Consistency and practice is a key. If you are consistently practicing, definitely you will become a confident, not only confident, also a fluent speaker in English. So your intonation will get improved, your sentence formation will be there, your grammar will be amazing. So you will become a confident speaker. I hope this video help you to solve your queries that I don't know how to form sentences, and it finds so difficult for me to form sentences, and I'm beginner and I don't know how to speak confidently English, because I think that I do not make good sentences and people will laugh at me. So if you follows all these steps, definitely your confidence will get improved, your fluency will be there, and also your sentence formation will improve a lot, and well, and definitely you will get better at grammar as well. So I hope this video help you a lot. If this video help you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends and family, and see you in next video. Bye bye, take care.